Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. This will be the last video today, I promise you, about this software called Cuttle. But it's really fun to play with. And we're going to start a new project. Here's some I've already done today. So this one's pretty cool what you can do with it. I'm gonna go ahead and use a rectangle. And then I'm gonna go to modify, and I'm gonna go to transform and repeat. And then what is cool about this, you could space these out and they space them out equally, or you could do them by here. So if you needed them, like right there is, we just type in 1, they're right on the mark. But if you wanted to go to 1.5 and space them out like that. But what this video is about, let me hit the negative sign so you can see them. And what I like about this, you can just keep making them. And then we're going to go to non-uniform scale, and we're going to scale them. And you could go either way and have them get bigger or smaller. But if you leave it like this and you rotate it, look at that. You can put a little arc on there. Then you could go back and add more blocks. That's pretty cool. Now, the last couple of videos I've made, I have not saved it and put it back into Corel. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to go to export as an SVG, and it's already done it. I'm going to show it in my folder and just unedited. I'm going to call rotate block and hit enter. And then I put everything in a pictures folder so I can find it. And then I'm going to go back into Corel and open this up, and I am going to left click import, and I'm going to type rotate block. Now, one thing you have to do not, well, you could actually stretch this one, but if you just click on it, you need to make it a right click a line and make it a hairline. And then those would cut out. And that would take you some time to do that in Corel. Even object of path maybe wouldn't do it that fast. And make them smaller, you'd have to blend them. It's a pretty cool software. I've had it less than 12 hours, and I'm going to claim I've mastered it because I've got a lot to learn, because I have to keep referring back to their videos. But if you watch, if you'll just type in Cuttle on YouTube, it'll come up with a bunch of videos on how to do almost every project. So instead of just having projects, that you can download for free, there's templates where you can make, like this one's a free one. This is a free one, free. This one is a pro, which I have now. This connect to text, I thought it was going to be cool. They're really kind of the reason, but all that can be done in Corel, but maybe for some people. But you just go to this heart-shaped box and you'll get it. Anyway, hope that helped just a little bit. Thank you for watching.